Continual improvements are essential as problems and business challenges are never-ending. Presenting Kaizen, a Japanese system of continual improvements where everyone is engaged every day and everywhere in discovering problems and their solutions. Improvements are applied across the value stream, from design to creation, from purchase to selling and distribution. Kaizen is all about improving the whole, not just the bits. Kaizen is about cutting waste, not about adding more resources. It's about deploying the right tools to find and attack waste in processes. It's about adding continuous improvement into the enterprise culture and DNA. But the question is, how? Presenting Kaizen Business System, a comprehensive model that combines improvement tools with a proven change model. The Kaizen Change Model brings into focus three key elements: setting improvement goals, achieved via breakthrough improvements, and sustained by daily management. Hundreds of improvement projects and tools don't necessarily build or transform the enterprise culture. The solution lies in adopting a holistic approach to drive continual improvements across the organization. Improvements that are applied daily by engaging everyone in every aspect of the organization to transform the culture and sustain organizational performance. Start your Kaizen journey now.